Hi. Just want to make sure that I was recording. Sorry about that. This is SAC Women Heart Workshop, and we're going to be presenting and this will be a workshop for women over 40, and this will be and in the workshop we're going to have I'm going to be introducing me and talking to the ladies, and we're going to discuss the topic of heart disease in women and know the signs, which are face drooping, arm weakness, speech difficulty, and time to call 911. And I wanted to do group discussions and experiences with the audience. And then I know that this thing was only supposed to be 7-10 minutes, but I figured a lot of people might be discussing, so I figured I'd make it to be 10:50. All right, thanks. Bye.